Okay. Hello and good day everyone. No? So today we will discuss naman about Kite Theorem 5.4. Okay. In Theorem 5.4, it states that if a quadrilateral is a kite, it has one diagonal that bisects the other diagonal. Okay. So ang nangyayari ito again sa diagonal tayo, no? Between these two diagonals of a given kite, no? Only one diagonal bisects the other. So ibig sabihin niyan, the other one cannot be divided into two by the other diagonal, no? So as you can see here, between in a kite ABCD, now we have two diagonals. We have diagonal AC and DB. Now between these two diagonals, only AC can divide or bisect the segment or the diagonal DB, but DB cannot bisect AC. Okay? So now, if AC bisects DB, therefore, okay, we can form here, no? Again, a perpendicular line, no? And then the point of intersection nila is E. So yung point E natin dito will serve as the midpoint of segment DB. And therefore, DE is equal to EB here. Kasi nga, nadi-divide into 2 yung DB natin by AC. Okay, nagiging bisector siya, no? Now, here, if your DB here is equal to 12, what is your DE? Okay? So DB, diagonal DB natin is equal to 12 daw. What is DE? Again, we will use this. Since your AC here, no, your AC here by 6 DB, we will use this formula, no, from the midpoint postulate. Your DE here is equal to 1/2 times your DB. Okay? D is unknown pa. Now, your DB here is 12. So 1/2 times 12 is equal to 6. So your DE here is 6. Okay? So that is very easy, no? Next. Another one. If BE naman is equal to 17, ito, BE or EB, yan, ito, EB. Ha? What is DB? Again, using the midpoint postulate, no? We have B is equal to 1/2 times DB. Your B is 17, no? Then multiply it by 2 para matanggal yung denominator dito so that we can find the value of DB. So 17 times 2 is equal to 34. Therefore, your DB here is 34. To D to B. Okay? Number 3 example, no? Here, if your DE naman is equal to 22, what is your BE? Okay? So how can we find BE? Again, since AC by 6 dB, therefore, BE is equal to 1/2 times dB. And also DE is equal to 1/2 times dB. So as you can see here, si EB kalahati lang ni DB, si DE, ito naman, DE kalahati lang din ulit ni DB. So therefore, your BE here is congruent to DE. No? And if they are congruent, then they are equal. No? Now, substitute. Your DE here is 22, therefore your B is also 22. Okay? Another one. How about this one? No? If BE naman, no? BE, again, BE is equal to 3x minus 7 and your DB is 40, what is BE? Okay? Now, to find BE here, we just find first no, the value of x here no, para mahanap natin si BE. Again, since AC, no, diagonal AC by 6 dB, okay? Therefore, we can use again this formula. We have B is equal to 1/2 times dB. Substitute your B to 3x minus 7 equal to 1/2 times your dB here is 40. No? 1/2 times 40 is equal to 20. Then transpose negative 7 to the other side. Then we have 3x equal to 7, equal to 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Then divide both sides by 3, cancel this out. Then we have x is equal to 27 divided by 3 is equal to 9. So 9 yung x natin dito. Now, hanapin na natin si BE since may value na tayo kay x. In 3x minus 7, substitute your x to 9. So we have 3 times 9 is equal to 27 again, minus 7 is equal to 20. As you can see, BE now is equal to 20 and your 20 here is half only for your DB which is equal to 40. Kalahati lang siya ni 40. Okay? So the solution and your answer is correct no, kapag ganito. Okay? Next, let us have an exercise, no? If EI is equal to 26, what is EA? Okay? So si EI 26. In a kite dice, now we have two diagonals here, diagonal DC and diagonal EI. Now, si DC naman will serve as the bisector of segment EI or diagonal EI. Now, if your EI is 26, what is your AE? Since your point point A here is the midpoint of the segment EI. Now, again, since DC bisects EI, therefore EA is equal to half of the measure of EI. Your EI here is 26. 1/2 times 26 is equal to 13. Si EI, 13 lang. Okay? Next, if AI is 8, what is EA? Ganun din, the same story, no? DC by 6 EI and AI natin is equal to EI. Now, substitute your AI to 8, then multiply it by 2, no? 8 times 2, we have 16. So, your EI here is 16. Okay? Next, number 3. If EA is 4x minus 9, EA, now 4x minus 9, and your AI is 11, what is x? Again, as you can see, si EA, kalahati lang ni EI, and si AI, kalahati lang din ni EI, no? Therefore, your EA here is equal to AI, no? Your EA here is 4x minus 9, your AI here is 11. Then transpose negative 9 to the other side, then we have 4x equal to 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. Then divide both sides by 4. Cancel this out. We have x is equal to 20 divided by 4 is 5. Okay, that's it. Okay, thank you for listening. And again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay, so that's all. Goodbye and God bless.